Alright, guys, well, right here, where the fuck is the box at? As you can see, we have some LEDs.
Some mini, I don't know what these are, but shout out Luna. I'll plug him, like, right here.
We got some LEDs.
Right here, we got the LEDs. The MR2.
Good old Toyota MR2.
I'm actually so kind of salty because these are brighter than his.
If you guys know how to work on an MR2, you just gotta pop off this little rotor piece right here. It seals it. And then you just, let's see. Oh, that's
now we gotta, so we're gonna disconnect it right here. I think we have to disconnect this, like this part, yeah. And not the whole thing, just this part. Move it aside and then the headlight will pop out. We'll get more room to, I think so. I think that's how I saw it online. But look, I got the license plate ones. I got the headlight ones. And then I got the, what is this called?
The dash, the digital.
I got the cluster. I got the cluster ones coming in. We'll get those. We'll record when those get here.
Wait, probably. Did you tell them that you got the license plate ones too?
Yeah, I got the license plate ones right here. These we're gonna see
we'll
how to
probably install the license plate ones first, since that's probably the easiest ones. Since right here we gotta most likely take the bumper apart a little bit, and then so the headlight can shift over a little bit, so we can have a little bit more space.
Y'all will see.
But stay tuned for the next clip because we'll do a quick little time lapse.
I gotta see how to do this shit. So
yes, sir.
You'll see right now. All right, y'all. We got the right tools. Like on my plates. You know, nobody gotta see. Nobody gotta see what's going on here. Nobody gotta see what's. Oh fuck! I touched that shit. Oh fuck!
Rookie.
This is ugly ass exhaust. Drop mine.
I don't know how to do this shit. I just work here. I just live here.
Just live here, guys.
What the?
I'm honest with you. I don't think that's how you do it.
Flying fuck.
Boom. All right, we got them in. Except this got disconnected, so zip tied it right here. For now, no one's gonna be able to see it, but look at that. What the fuck? Oh. Boom, looks good. Business calls right over there. And do this. Still haven't figured this out yet. See that? Out. Oh yeah, a little before and after. All right, y'all. So we got the bulb out. Well, first things first. We thought you could just, cause we saw someone else do it. You know, just do this bolt right here, move it to the side, and they took out the light. I mean, we're not that smart, so we ended up taking the whole bumper off. There was a hidden bolt. Where was it? Somewhere right here. Got the headlight out.
And in order to take off the bulb, there's this little like spring retainer thing that goes right here to hold the light in, and then you just loosen this little bolt.
Yeah. And
what that does is it releases this, takes out the bolt. Let me see. The little spring retainer thing goes around this. So with that, now you just put this new one in, and it should just stay in. We'll see if we have to put that little spring retainer back in, and if we do, then we'll update you guys on how to do it. If not, well then we'll just put it back in and we'll show you the new LED compared to the old stock light. Alright guys, so that is the brand new LED. This is the old yellow ugly light.
Look.
We're just testing it to make sure that it works before we actually put it in the light and put everything back together. Yeah. But
I mean, this didn't fit exactly right here. Actually, let me move this. Come here. That didn't fit exactly, so I bent the little plugs to get in. But I mean, it should work, right?
Yeah, it should be fine.
If it ain't sketchy, it ain't right.
We got warranty, so if anything, you know, we'll just get new ones. But let us put everything back together. We'll probably do like a quick little time lapse and then just to show you guys how we're doing it.
Yep. Y'all, we're back. We finished putting it in, so you'll see the time lapse. We actually did end up taking the whole thing apart. The lights are actually kind of loose, but I mean, fuck it. It's the only way it works. What was it called? The thing wouldn't go in the water, she saw?
Can you talk to the camera guy?
Yeah.
So originally, these clip into the housing of the light, but the housing is different because it has an extra wire with the ballast and all that stuff, so it doesn't work, as you guys can see. So it's a little loose in there, but
I mean, whatever. If they fall out, they fall out. We put them back in.
well, they won't fall out because they have the little retainer around them.
And
But,
because there's no
so this is how the lights look.
Honey.
Turned on, brand new LEDs. God damn, boy! Damn, they look kind of blue in the camera.
They do.
I ain't gonna lie, but
Alright, we're about to get to the washer now. Look at that.
yeah, there they go. There they are, guys. You guys can see how bright they actually are. Look at that. Look at the wall.
Look at Nate, how beautiful he is.
You get to see Andres.
Oh, that's
Good.
actually-
Oh, we got you on the back too. Look.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
And we also put LEDs on the license plate lights.
That looks sick. I like that.
It looks real good.
I think I like the back better than the front. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It looks way better. But we about to go to where are we headed next?
El Paisano Market.
We're going to Paisano.
It's in Tempe, Arizona.
Man, y'all about to see bomb food, good eats, names. We're gonna bust out for all of us.
He said he got that plumber money. As you guys can see, look at that. Have you ever seen a clapped out Escalade?
Got that AutoZone special. Yes, sir. Look at that. Okay, you want the gob. You want the gob. Okay, look at this.
Alright guys, so right now we're walking outside because I'm trying to see what Andres is doing, but I don't know where he went. But oh, actually, speaking of Andres, yo Andres, what are you doing?
Trying to start out here tonight. Take a look.
Oh shit.